Fill half of the configuration container with potassium hydroxide. Add 500毫升 distilled water. Stir well with objects such as glass rods. Wait 20 分钟 Use. Open the black seal cover above the hydrogen generator. Add the configured potassium hydroxide solution. Watch the water line ahead. Then add distilled water to the water level below H. Add the cover back to the black seal cover when finished. Remove the metal muffler from the air generator fitting. Take a 12 到14 watt wrench. Unscrew the air inlet plug at the rear of the air generator with 12 watt wrenches. Turn the wrench on the muffler and tighten it round. Take out the accessory box, toolbox and pipeline in the gas chromatograph. Open the fitting box and take out bunker gaskets, nuts and liners. The liner is fed into the intake pipe and then fitted separately with nut gaskets. Install gasket, nut and liner. Start connecting the gas chromatograph gas path. The back end of the gas chromatograph is connected with nitrogen, hydrogen and air respectively from the outer end of the housing. When nitrogen is connected, the gas source cylinder is first connected to the headspace sampler and then from the other end of the headspace back to the gas chromatograph. Check whether the air generator and hydrogen generator are all pink before starting. Turn on all air sources after all checks.